Oh, hi there. My name is Alexis, and this is Whiteboard Mastery. I'm super excited to have you here today. Today, we're gonna tackle the nuts and bolts on how to write clearly and confidently and boldly and beautifully on whiteboards. You probably, if you're like most people, you've probably not practiced your handwriting since first grade, and because of that, if you felt awkward or self-confident, self-conscious when you're, working with other people or even by yourself, and you thought to yourself, my handwriting isn't so good, then I have great news. What I'm going to share with you today is not how to improve your existing handwriting. We're going to completely learn a whole new type of script that I think is beautiful, it's bold, it's confident, it's super fast to write once you get the hang out of it. And I think it's the first thing that you want to learn if you want to really sort of kick ass on the whiteboard. Okay, so super excited. I'm super excited. I hope you are excited. If this sounds good to you, then we'll continue. All right. The script that you're gonna learn today is called Whiteboard Casual, and it's a handwriting script. It's all caps, so we're gonna start with a very simple version of it. It has its origins in the old art of sign painting. So it used to be a brush painting script, and I've used it a lot, and I've adapted it to be used with whiteboard markers, specifically the chisel-tip markers that I've recommended you to get in another video. If you only have, the round tip one, it's also fine. But yeah, this is ideally you have a chisel-tip marker to go along with it when you're on the board. So here's an example. This is Whiteboard Casual 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is an example of the script that you see here. It's very straightforward. It's very simple. It's uppercase. I've used blue just because I felt like this would be a great way to simulate the whiteboard. And it's a casual brush script from its origin. I'm gonna switch over and gonna do a demo of how I would write live, so you can actually not just see what it looks like, but actually how I do the strokes and in what pieces I compose a letter. Right. So let's switch over here. I'm gonna hide this, and we're gonna show the guidelines just because I'm on an iPad. This makes it a little easier. And so just watch me. I have an Apple Pen, and I'm going to write the alphabet now in Whiteboard Casual. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, bam, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and we'll do it on the bottom, Z. Bam. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dot, dot, dot. I think you get the idea. So what you just saw me doing is writing the script using the script that I want you to learn, and a few things that I want you to pay attention to when you start using this yourself and exercising it, which I'll give you a little cheat sheet in just a moment. You notice how I do it. It's mostly downstrokes. So when I did the A, it was a downstroke, and when I did the B, it was like going down with a pen. So I recommend you downloading the cheat sheet that I've linked in the description, and maybe go back to the point here in this video where I start writing. You can slow it down and see each step, how I do each letter, right? And even if you just print it out on paper and use a pencil or a ball pen, that's fine to start with, where you just want to trace several times each letter that I've given you in the cheat sheet. And this will allow your muscles and your hands to learn, first of all, the downstroke. Even if you don't have a chisel pen, even if you a chisel tip, even if you don't have a whiteboard yet, that's fine. I want you to get into the habit and learn this script today, because once you've got this down, this will take a few sessions. It shouldn't take you long to get the general idea and get the general movements of each letter into your hand muscle memory. You will see how significantly your whiteboard game is stepping up. So I'm super excited about this. It's straightforward, and download the cheat sheet that I've linked in the description below and print it out on paper, get a pen, sit down somewhere and just trace the letters a few times each, maybe 5 to 10 times each. Just retrace the letters to as good as you can. And if you have a whiteboard, of course, go to that right away, but not everyone has that. And I would love to see and hear how this works for you. So if you want to, take a photo of a whiteboard or something where you've used this script and send it to me, and I'd love to talk about it and give you feedback if you want. And with just a few minutes of training and Whiteboard Casual as a tool in your tool belt, I think you'll be great. Your confidence level at the whiteboard will increase. People will understand you clearer. They will. I've definitely noticed people will respect you more because a clear handwriting is legit. So thanks for watching. This is Whiteboard Mastery. My name is Alexis, and looking forward to hearing from you. Okay, bye.